What's going on, guys, and welcome to today's video. And as you can see, we are not in my garage today. We are in my good buddy John's garage, and we've got his 911 sitting behind us again. And today we're gonna do a little bit of suspension work. Now, we've already done a little bit of suspension work to this car. We put some iBox springs on this thing, but like me, he can't leave anything alone. So today, we've got a set of BC Racing BR series coilovers for this thing. And if you haven't ever seen BC coilovers in person, they are just really nice quality, really nice top hats, adjustable dampening up top, camber plates. It's kind of just got everything you'd want in a coilover. So we are going to try to get these things thrown on, and I think we're just going to put them on with the factory ride height out of the box, just to see where the car sits and, you know, let it settle or do whatever it needs to do. And then if we need to in the future, we can kind of dial the ride height in. So as you can see, we do have pretty small wheel gaps currently with those iBox springs. You know, we're only fitting maybe 2 fingers kind of here in the rear. And then up front, kind of a similar, maybe a little bit less than 2 fingers gap. So I'll throw you guys up on the time lapse. We'll tear into this thing and see how bad or not these coilovers are gonna be to throw on and get this thing a little bit closer to the ground. Well guys, we got the front and rear coilovers on, and honestly it wasn't too bad. We've been in the suspension before when we did the Eibach lowering spring, so we were kind of pretty well versed on what we needed to take apart, what we weren't going to need to take apart, so it really didn't take too long. The fronts were kind of more of a pain than the rear, but all in all, it really didn't go too bad. Now, how the car is currently sitting, it is very, very similar for the out-of-the-box settings to the Eibach springs. The front and rear gap is pretty close. Now, the rear, I think, is just a teeny bit lower just by measuring with the finger fine-tune measuring. But like we said, he is going to kind of drive the car, let everything settle in, and kind of we'll figure out what we want to do on additional lowering from there. He's actually working on a really cool set of wheels. That's why there's a set of custom rotiform 3 pieces torn apart over here. So we may kind of figure out once those wheels are on the car where he wants that thing to sit. And obviously with coilovers, you can easily break that lower collar loose and adjust the body into that lower mount and change your ride height. Super quick and easy. So guys, thanks for coming along on another in the garage mod video here. And guys, as always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time.